We were good, we were gold, the kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right, the kind of dream that can't be sold. Everybody, we found a discovery to cure ourselves. If we rainwater, everybody. My God, you guys wouldn't believe what happened to me today, you guys. They put mosquito with human blood to come attack me, you guys. More upcoming videos for you. This is a mosquito in my hotel at Embassy Suite 1325. East Dyer Road, Santa Ana, California 92606. I'm in room 1016. Okay, the evidence of the blood is here and it's on the wall. Okay, had dead mosquito, and when I killed it, there was blood, human blood in a mosquito, you guys. It's from the GMO laboratory.